If you're working in construction today, there are two things you have to deal with: regulations and risk. To turn a profit, you need to meticulously navigate extensive construction compliance requirements. Acumatica Construction Edition can help make compliance easier with built-in templates, automated workflows, and customizable forms. The intuitive features you need to ensure every detail is covered, so you save money and prevent project delays. Here's how Acumatica makes compliance easier for construction firms. First, we select the Compliance tab from the project workspace to track all project-specific compliance documents in one central location. View the expiration dates, document types, and categories. This project has an expired lien waiver that needs attention. Create notification workflows to send emails or SMS messages to vendors or employees when compliance documents expire. Tie the compliance record to billing rules to hold payment until the compliance issue is remedied. Now let's examine vendor compliance by clicking the compliance icon on the left side of the screen. A project manager or executive can run reports by vendor or project to see all compliance documentation in the system. The flexibility to review, filter, and drill down into crucial documentation ensures that your construction projects continue moving forward and protects profit margins. Few ERP applications support all construction compliance requirements as comprehensively as Acumatica. With Acumatica, construction organizations can seamlessly manage documentation and avert costly non-compliance setbacks. Ensure critical documentation is recorded accurately and thoroughly, so nothing is missed. Store all required financial documentation under one system umbrella, making it quick to access. Connected human capital management apps provide additional labor compliance options and automated notifications to manage employee training and certifications. With Acumatica's intuitive and robust compliance management capabilities, you can meet your regulatory obligations while keeping your projects on track, saving time and money.